Did you know there are grants and funding programs that could help support your homestead dream? Many people believe they have to fund everything out of pocket, but there are programs available that may help with farming, conservation, sustainability, equipment, and rural development. Let's talk about it. If you've ever dreamed of growing your own food, raising livestock, becoming more self-sufficient, or starting a homestead, this video is for you. Today I'll share several funding opportunities that homesteaders should know about. Agricultural First, agricultural grants. Many programs are designed to help beginning farmers and ranchers enter the agricultural industry. These grants may support education, training, production, and operational improvements. If you're new to farming, this is a great place to start. Sustainable farming. Second, sustainable farming grants. Organizations and government agencies often provide funding for projects that improve sustainability, conserve resources, and support local food production. These programs encourage environmentally responsible farming practices. Conservation. Third, conservation grants. If your homestead includes projects related to soil health, water conservation, wildlife habitats, or land preservation, you may qualify for conservation funding programs. These opportunities are designed to protect natural resources while helping landowners improve their property. USDA Rural Development. Fourth, USDA Rural Development Programs. These programs may assist with housing, infrastructure improvements, utilities, and community development projects in rural areas. Many homesteaders overlook these valuable resources. Equipment and training funding. Fifth, equipment and training grants. Certain programs help cover the cost of education, certifications, farming tools, and operational improvements that can strengthen your homestead success. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. Energy and water resources. Finally, there are water and energy efficiency programs. These opportunities may support projects involving solar energy, irrigation systems, water conservation, and other sustainability improvements. These upgrades can reduce expenses while increasing self-sufficiency. One important thing to remember, most grants do not directly purchase land for you. However, they can help fund projects, improvements, equipment, and activities that make your homestead successful. The key is finding the right funding opportunity that aligns with your goals. If your dream is to build a homestead, grow your own food, or create a sustainable lifestyle, don't let funding stop you from getting started. Comment Homestead below if you'd like more information on grants and funding opportunities. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who dreams of living off the land. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep believing in your vision.